Gia Witch, that's Irish for hello. My name is Katherine Siobhan, and I am here at Greenwich Creations in Uptown Sedona. I am a certified Usui Reiki therapist and a certified fitness trainer with over 10 years of experience helping people attain their goals. You should book a session with me because I am very good at helping people uncover the underlying issues, the negative patterns which may be blocking their success. I am also a practicing Ban Druid, which is a white witch. I am also available to share and teach people the world of Irish witchcraft. It is what I am good at. I love to share this knowledge with other people. And for a limited time, if you click the link below, you can receive $10 off of your next session with me. Blessed be.